Today we're looking at Chapter 3, the Chapter 3 project, Task 5, Selecting Your Respondents. So the PDF of the directions is right here. Here's a little bit of a preview of what is in there, but here is the PDF, or my document version of it. We need to decide how you will select your respondents and how they're going to find your survey. So a couple of different ways that you can deliver it. You can use QR codes or URLs on flyers around the school. You could do a social media post, but remember, you can only accept data from MA students, so you might need to include a demographic question so that you can make sure that you have only MA students and ignore anybody who isn't one. You can also ask a teacher to help you out. That is always a good possibility, especially if you're asking questions of the younger classmen. After we select who we're going to ask and why, you need to go to your Google Doc for a project write-up and explain, again, how you will select your respondents and how to publicize your Google form. The most important part is actually carrying out your plans so that you get at least 30 responses from your population of interest. 30 responses is really what you need to make a very good generalization about what this means for the entire population. So again, if anybody from a class or school that is not in your population of interest gets into your data set, you will just need to remove them from that data set. That's why we have some of those demographic questions. So you might remember that when you took my survey, what I did was I didn't actually select you by displaying a QR code. I kind of wrote that wrong, so maybe I should do some editing. I selected my respondents by taking a convenient sample of students who were present at the start of class, the first 5 minutes of class, on one class meeting for all classes. Respondents found the survey when I displayed a QR code at the start of Mr. Watchen's classes for one day. Again, I just said that, so maybe all I need to say is the QR code was posted in class on the board, or just posted on the board. Where did I get that QR code? You should actually say where or how you generate your items. You know, maybe if you have a flyer, you should include a picture of the flyer. I need to go dig up a copy of my QR code so I can paste the image. Because remember, for science, you want to make sure that you document exactly every step of the way and exactly how it was done, so that if it was good, if everything, whether it was good or bad, it needs to be replicable by other people. You need to make sure that other people can follow what you're doing and then do their own version of it if they want to. Anyway. Make sure, again, to go back through your methods section and make sure that you mention that you are using Google Forms. And once you're ready to submit, you can click the Share button and copy link. Once you've copied your link, you can go back. Here, let's look at this in student view for a minute. Again, Task 5 is locked for you guys right now, but if I go back to one of my other assignments, such as Task 3, we can look at that process one more time. So again, Task 3, this is the wrong task, but the process for turning in is the same. You just need to click Start Assignment or New Attempt. And again, if this is exactly the same link that you are submitting. Yes, I still want to submit my URL, paste it in, and submit. Remember, you want to use the website URL, not the Google Drive link. The Google Drive link doesn't necessarily always play correctly with Canvas. But that is our task. You have some time to work on that right now. Go to it.